Greetings and welcome to Desert Valley's online services tutorial with yours truly, Prince Charming. Today we'll be going over the Bill Pay tab. Let's jump right in. From the home page, click on the Online Services tab and click on Bill Pay. Click Go to be transported to the Bill Pay site. Here you can see the tab options above. Payments, the tab we are on now. Payees, Pay a Person. Transfers, GiftPay. Calendar, My Account, and Help. Let's start with the first tab, Payments. First, we need to add a payee. Click the red Payee button. Now we can choose if we want to pay a company or a person. Let's choose Company and Waste Management. Next, we'll enter our Waste Management account number and hit Submit. Now you can see the Payee, Waste Management, listed on the main page. To pay Waste Management, we will need to select which account we are paying them from. Side note, when the bank sends a check to the company, such as Waste Management, it will only be able to send the check from a checking account, and this is why there's only one of my accounts listed here. Now we will enter the amount we would like to pay and the date we would like to pay. Underneath the date, we can see the expected delivery date of the payment. Now we simply click Pay to send our payment. As you can see, there are a few other options below Pay. If we click Rush Delivery, it will take us to another screen in which we can choose Premium Delivery Methods, which will rush our checks to the company. This, however, does come with a cost. The system will tell you the date of delivery and the cost associated with each option. The next option is Make It Recurring. This option will take us to a scheduling page, which you can fill out to schedule payments for the future that will continue until you either cancel or select a date to end those payments. Lastly is Add Comment. Here you can add any comments about the payments you like, which will not be seen by the payee. These comments are for your eyes only. To cancel a scheduled payment, we need to scroll down to View Pending Transactions, then click Edit on the right under Additional Items. Then scroll down under the comment sections and check the box I would like to stop this payment and click Submit. The system will then confirm that you have indeed stopped the payment. Now let's move on to another tab, Payees. In this tab, you will see a list of payees you have added over time. If you like, you can separate them using categories. If we want to change the category of a payee, we can click on the pencil icon to the right and change the category in the drop-down box. While on this page, we can also edit any other information we'd like to change and hit Submit. To delete a payee, simply click on the trash can. All right, let's go over to the next tab, Pay a Person. Here, you can choose if you'd like to send the money through an email or text, direct deposit, or if you'd like to send the person a check. For our example today, I'll choose check. Next, we will fill out the payee information. When it comes to the account number here, we can add this or leave it blank if you like. We can choose a custom nickname for this person and a category. When we click Next, we will be brought to an activation page. Choose your preferred method of contact to receive a code and hit Next. After receiving the activation code, enter it in the box and hit Next. This brings us back to the main page, and we can see the person we added in the Payee panel. Now let's go over to the Transfers tab. In this Transfers tab, we can schedule transfers between different bank accounts. Simply click the red Account button, fill out the required information, and click Next. Once again, we will be brought to an activation page. Fill this out and click Submit. When we complete this step, we'll be brought to a page that says Awaiting Verification. The system will now verify the external account by submitting 2 small deposits and 2 small withdrawals. This will happen between 1 and 3 business days. Once this happens, you can come back to this page and fill in the proper amounts. Your external account will then be ready to transfer to. Once verified, you can go back to the Transfers page and begin transferring by selecting the From and To accounts, the amount you wish to transfer, and the date you wish the transfer to be complete. You can then make this transfer recurring if you desire. Simply hit Submit to confirm your selections. Next is GiftPay. With GiftPay, you can send gift cards electronically from $5 to $1,000 via email. Let's click Add Recipient. Here you may be presented with a test question from your account to verify your identity. Now we will select the type of GiftPay we want to send, which can either be gift check or donation. Let's select Gift Check and press Next. Now simply fill out the recipient's information and click Submit. Then click Return to GiftPay. You can now see that the recipient has been placed on the main page. Let's click Send Gift. Fill out all the corresponding information and click Next. Now select a gift check design image and click Next to be brought to a message box. Here you can type out a personalized message to your recipient. Click Next and we are brought to a review page where we can see our beautiful work. Wow, Desert Valleys makes me look like a pro. If everything looks good, click Submit. Now on to Calendar. Calendar is simply a way to view all of your transactions in a calendar format. If you see a dollar amount on a date, you can click the dollar amount and it will bring up the information about your payment. Here you can edit your payment by clicking Edit on the right under Additional Items. Next tab, My Account. Here we can add or delete Pay From accounts, edit our personal information like address or phone numbers, or add or remove our challenge phrases, and customize our notifications from Desert Valleys. Now, most importantly, be sure to check out View Alerts. Here you can decide which notifications are most important and where you would like to receive them. Be sure to click Update when you're finished. Last but not least, the Help tab. This tab is like a manual for the bill pay part of the site. It has some of our frequently asked questions answered about every scenario we've been over today, and more. Ah, yes, another bedtime favorite. Now, just so you know, at the very bottom of this page is a toll-free number you can call if you have any technical difficulties. Otherwise, there's also a Chat Now option located at the top right of every page. Of course, if all else fails, feel free to call Desert Valleys, and their professional team will be glad to help. This concludes our online services bill pay tutorial. I hope that you've enjoyed your time with me, and we'll see you again in the next Desert Valleys tutorial.